Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter 6, and the name of this chapter is How Things Change. So students, you can open this page where you can see chapter number, which is 6, and name of the chapter, which is How Things Change. This chapter has some learning objectives to know about some changes which can be reversed and others which cannot be reversed, and to know about solubility and saturated solutions, to know about the relation between solubility and temperature. Now I am going to read the chapter. Every day, a lot of changes occur in our surroundings. A piece of ice, when kept in the open, changes to water. When you add sugar to water, it becomes sweet in taste. Similarly, setting of curd from milk is a change. A moving bus changes its position with time. So we have understood in this paragraph that every day there are many changes happening around us, such as if ice is taken out from the fridge and kept outside, then it turns into water. If the sugar is dissolved in water, the taste of the water becomes sweet. In the same way, if we mix a little curd in milk, then the whole milk turns into a curd, and a moving bus changes its position with time. Here you can read a definition of change. Change refers to the difference occurring in color, shape, size or position of things around you. Observe some changes that take place in your daily life. So here you can observe some changes that take place in your daily life. Number 1, weather changes from day to day. So the weather changes after some days, like winter comes after some days of rain. Now the second point, day changes into night. So it changes sometime in a morning to afternoon. Afternoon turns into evening. Evening turns into night after some time. And then night turns into day after some time. Is that clear? Now the third point, the state of water changes. So you all know that ice, water, vapor means solid, liquid and gas forms are the three forms of water. So ice can turn into water and water can turn into vapor. So students, that's all for the today. In the next class we will see next points of changes. So thank you class.